హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ గురించి చూపించబోతున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. Here I will give some numbers. 12,427, 4,736, 3rd one is 930, 4th one is 92,028, 5th one is 38,839, 6th one is 92,839. Here, what is place value? Place value means the place value of a particular digit in this number is given by its position of the number. Once again I repeat, place value means place value of a particular digit in this number is given by its position in the number. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ అంటే ఏదో కాదు ఫ్రెండ్స్, అది ఆ నెంబర్ మొత్తంలో దాని పొజిషన్ని తెలిపేదాన్ని ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ అని అంటాం. 12,427. Here I underlined 4, the digit 4. What is the place value of this number 12,427? The place value of 4 is ones, tens, hundreds. Here 4 is in hundreds place. That's why you have to write 4 into 100, 400. Here 4,736. Second number is 4,736. Here I underlined the number 7. 7 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. 7, write first 7. 7 is in which place? 7 hundreds place. That's why write 100, 700. Place value of 7 is 700. The place value of 4 is 400. Here place value of 9 is in 100 place. That's why 900. Fourth one, 92,028. The place value of 2 is in tens place. That's why 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. Fifth one, 38,839. The place value of first digit 3 is in which place? 3 was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. 30,000. Sixth one is 92,839. 2 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. 2,000. Write 2,000 here. This is the topic of place value. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.